going to do another science today, and we're going to have an Easter theme, and we have Fern joining us, joining Autumn and Violet and me, because we're going to do lots of egg experiments. All right.
Cool.
All right. In this jar is our first egg experiment. I had to start this 2 days ago. I put an egg, just a regular raw egg from the store, in a glass jar with vinegar. The vinegar eats away at the outside shell. Yeah, it's pretty gross, huh?
Yeah.
It eats away at the outside shell. It actually reacts with the calcium in the shell, and it makes what we call a rubber egg. It could break, but is it okay if I pour vinegar on your... Okay. Our photographer said we could pour some vinegar on here. Hopefully it won't kill the grass. All right, who wants to feel this rubber egg? Put your hand out. It could break, so be careful. Ooh, look at that egg. All the white shell is dissolved off. You can kind of see the yolk inside, can't you? The yellow part? That's okay, can I feel it?
That's
Ooh,
the what?
I don't know what it is. I don't know. It looks like it's all yellow, so it looks like maybe the yolk spread out. It also got a lot bigger. It absorbed some of the vinegar and water. It feels really weird. Do you want to feel it, Violet? Look, it's cool. Just go like this. It's bouncy. Huh. All the shell is gone, and it's rubbery. Look at it. It bounces. So you can do that if you have about 2 days. And you want, well, don't push too hard, it'll go all over us. The shell will dissolve. It'll start dissolving after 24 hours, and then after 48 hours, you won't see the shell at all, and it's really rubbery. You could play with. Here's another experiment you can try at home. We hard-boiled one of these eggs. The other one is a raw egg, so it's not cooked, that we got from the chickens. Actually, both of them came from the chickens. There's a way you can tell which is which, just in case you hard-boil and you put them in the refrigerator and then you forget. So I'm going to spin this egg first and watch what happens. I hope I can. There. Now I'm going to stop it. That didn't work very well. Let me try that again. I'm going to stop it, and it stays stopped. All right. Then I'm going to try this one. This one's shiny.
Don't eat that egg.
Don't eat it? Okay, we'll see.
Don't hit it.
Oh, don't hit it. Okay. And then, whoops, I can't spin this one very well. Ooh. Oh, I'm going to spin this one. And then I'm going to stop it. And then look what happens. After I stop it, what does it do? Does it stop all the way? No. It keeps spinning because it's raw. And the yolk inside is still turning inside. So it makes it still turn. So this is the raw egg. And this is the hard-boiled egg. All right. This one is called the inside-out egg. When you hard-boil an egg, the white is on the outside, the yellow yolk is on the inside. The way you do this is to get a pair of stockings or pantyhose. You take a raw egg, you put it inside, whoops, and you want it to be facing this way, the long way, okay, like that. And I have a twist tie on there, and then I'm going to put another twist tie on. And this is the hard part. I have never, ever, ever had this work. Well, one time I had it work, and that's it. So it takes lots of patience. When you have your egg like this, you want to spin it. So you do this, and you spin it as hard as you can. And I have smashed it against walls before. It takes a really long time. Is it spinning good, you guys? And then you can let it unspin. You want to keep doing it and doing it and doing it until you mix up that yolk inside. And then when you hard boil it and you put it in boiling water and you cook it for 7 minutes or however long it is, and then you peel it. I'm hoping that this will be the first time this works really well. You probably want to do that for...
So this was already hard-boiled? And you did it before?
No, I did it. I've already done it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You would do it with a raw egg, and then you would cook it after this. But I cooked it at home so we could save time. That's why I put an X on it. Okay. So if it worked, if it's an inside-out egg, then we should see yellow on the outside. But like I said, I've never been successful because you have to do it for about probably 20 minutes. And it did not work very well, did it? No, it's still white on the outside. Darn it. You guys could eat it though, huh? Do you like hard-boiled eggs?
Yeah.
All right. If you do it longer than I did, if you have more patience, and you mix it up really, really well, the yellow should be on the outside and the white on the inside. One time I did it and it was like all yellow, but I've never done it perfectly. So watch a YouTube video of it and you'll get idea of what it should look like. Oh, look at the yolk obviously moved to one side, didn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, it didn't work. It didn't mix. So I did not spin it long enough. You guys want to taste?
No.
No? All right, we'll put it right there. All right, this is the egg in the bottle. Let's hope this one works. We have a bottle. What's inside here? What's in there?
Nothing.
Nothing. What's in there that's clear? It's all around us, all around, all everywhere. What is it called? The sun? Yeah, the sun is. How about air? Is there air in there?
Mm-hmm.
There is air. See, you can't see it, but it's in there. And I have a hard-boiled egg, so I cook that egg. And does it fit in the bottle? No, if I push it, it'll get all mushed up, wouldn't it? So we're going to try an experiment where we light a fire on these candles. And then, oh, that one's kind of broken. Oh, it's really broken. We're going to light a fire. And then we're going to stick this egg in there after I light these on fire. And then we're going to hope that that fire burns up all the air in there and it creates a vacuum. And then you guys tell me what happens to this egg, okay? All right, we got to get a good fire going. That's a pretty good fire. Watch me burn my... Don't ever do this at home unless your mom and dad are helping you. Ow. Watch the egg. Watch the egg. What's happening to it? Silly thing.
There it goes.
Oh, it worked, huh? If you're doing this at home, try a piece of newspaper and light that. It works better than the candle. How are we going to get it out? Do you have any ideas?
Dump it out.
Dump it out? Let's try.
Let's try if we dump it out.
Let's try if we dump it out. Uh-oh. Is it going to come? Uh-oh, it kind of broke. Uh-oh. The candle came out.
Okay.
Now it's got piece. How should we do it?
We dump it out and who the tweezers.
And a tweezers. A tweezers. That's a good idea.
Just
Just do this. Okay, let's do this. Can I show you how to get it out a really good way? Those were good guesses, though.
Put it.
All right, ready? Okay, so good guesses how to get it out. What I read is put some water in there. Put water in. Ooh, yeah, it's kind of gross. And then you dump the water out. Watch this. Hopefully yeah, I didn't want that to happen, but there we go. Okay, now the water's out. Almost all out. Now watch, okay? The egg isn't coming out. I wish some of it didn't break. It's a little more dramatic. Okay. Then I want to put lots of air in there, so I have to blow in there. Oh. And that's how you get it out. I have yolk all right, one more egg thing that you can do for Easter is have your moms and dads save their eggshells when they're cooking. So you take a spoon and you tap it on top. You pour your egg out, use it in a recipe, but then save your shell. Make sure you rinse it with water really good because it'll be hard and it will hurt if you don't do that. So this one's all ready to dye. We might dye it blue or pink. And then you fill it with confetti. Shake that and show them. Can you shake it? Yep. We fill them with confetti and cover the hole with a piece of tissue paper. And then you hide them just like the Easter bunny does with his hard-boiled eggs. So that's how you make them. And then when you're out doing your egg hunt, show your eggs to your dad. Okay, when you're out doing your egg hunt and you find one of these special eggs, what do you do with them? Do you guys know?
No.
What do you do? You crash over somebody's head.
I should have with somebody's head.
All right, do it. My head's ready. Hard as you can. Ouch! Whoa! Did you do it? Oh my gosh, that's pretty. All right, happy Easter part 2. We're gonna show you how you can play with Peeps in the microwave. And we have a rabbit and we have a chicken. So the rabbit is gonna be Violet's and the chicken is Autumn's. They're gonna put toothpicks, what?
Toothpick, can we split these guys in half?
We have other ones, so we don't really have to split them in half. So they're gonna put their jousting stick, which is a toothpick, somewhere on their character. And then we're gonna put them, without touching, we're gonna put them in the microwave and blow them up for about 30 seconds, maybe 30 more seconds after that. We're gonna see who jabs who first. Okay, go ahead, put your swords in, your jousting sticks. You're gonna do yours in the rabbit, Violet. Go ahead. No, like, watch. Ooh, you're gonna stick it up straight? How do you want yours?
Like you.
Okay. Okay, we can do it that way. All right. Ow, looks like his belly button is really. All right, leave it on here. We're gonna leave it on here. Are they touching? Whoops.
No.
Sit up. It probably works better with two of the same kind. All right, we're gonna move them to the microwave. I'll stand them up again. And then we're gonna do it on high for about 30 seconds. You guys can't see, huh? Can we hold you up?
Yeah. Mommy,
This
you
is
were
like tall
on
microwave.
Daddy, you were me.
No, maybe me and your mom can. All right.
Mommy, you were.
How do you stop it just in case it gets too big?
Just press 1.
Oh, yeah.
We're recording.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, watch your peeps. Who's gonna win?
Just press 1. I said
Oh.
press 1.
Violet.
All right, watch. Look inside.
They're moving.
They are moving. They're turning around. But tell me when you see them getting. Who fell down?
Violet.
Look what's happening. They're getting bigger.
Yeah.
Did anybody jab the other one? It's hard to tell.
Oh, it's a tie. What do you know?
I think it is a tie. All right, let's see what it's like when we take them out. Look, you guys. You see that? Oh my goodness, look at, don't touch because it's really hot. You have to wait quite a while before you can eat them. We'll take them. They both jabbed each other. That one kind of missed, huh?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, don't touch.
Touch that.
No, we'll take them out really carefully.
His butt. What about a
Okay, we're gonna do one more microwave experiment, so make sure you ask your parents if you can do this. We have ivory soap here. We also have a plate. All right. Do you remember our sink and float experiment?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think soap does? Do you think it sinks or floats? You think it sinks? Okay, that's a good guess. Ivory soap is the only soap that floats. And the story goes that the man that was mixing the soap went home for the night and left the mixers on all night long, so it got lots of air bubbles in there. All the other soaps that you buy, they'll sink to the bottom, but ivory floats. This is a very old bar of ivory, so I'm hoping this works, but you can see that it floats on top of the water. You can try this with other soaps, but I just didn't want to waste any more soap. If you have other soaps at home, try it. We're going to cut this into some pieces. Oh, now it's slippery, so I'll probably... You would not do this. You would ask your mom or dad to do it, okay? We're going to cut it into some pieces, and then we're going to put it in the microwave. Because this soap floats, and it's filled with air, it does something that other soaps won't do. Other soaps, if you put it in the microwave, might melt a little bit, but watch what happens with this.
It's gonna melt.
Do you think it's going to melt?
Yeah.
We'll see. That's a good prediction. You want me to hold you up? Come on over here. All right, let's do... Look in there and tell me what you see. Hopefully it'll work. It's a very old bar of soap. All right, the microwave is heating it up. Do you see anything happening yet?
No.
Me either. Oh, I think I might see something happening. What do you see?
It's going down. Melting.
What is it doing?
Melting.
Do you think it's melting?
Yeah.
No. All right, so this is an old bar. I had a feeling it might not work as well, but if you have a new bar of ivory, if you have a new bar of ivory soap, then it will blow up even bigger than this. So it did change a bit. You see the little pieces that it almost looks like an iceberg the way it works. It kind of burned over there too. And you have to be really careful because this will stay hot for a really long time. But if you have a new bar of soap, try it and it will get like 4 or 5 times as big as this.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Easter. Oh.